is 315 revolutions per minute. Determine its speed in kilometers per hour. No. You don't have to take it as a cylinder. No. It will be it is simply a circle. This is simply a circle.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. So you know what the basic thing is here in question number 7. The diameter of the wheel of the bus is given. ये हमारा
Yes,
wheel
sir.
है and the diameter is 90 centimeter and it is making 315 revolutions in a minute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Determine its speed in kilometers per hour. Right. So first you will see what are the values that is given. Okay. Then
Yes,
you
sir.
will see, we know what is the perimeter. Perimeter is
Yes, sir. 2 pi r.
what basically 2 pi r basically. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So radius here will be 90 upon 2. Okay.
Yes, sir. 45.
Perimeter can be find out. Okay. So one perimeter will be meaning what? One revolution.
Yes,
One
sir.
perimeter will it not be equal to one revolution? Getting out it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thereby you need to find the distance traveled by it in 315 revolution. That is what the question is asking.
Yes, sir.
But you need to find the speed. So in order to get the speed, you will have to find the distance also. Distance
sir.
आपको find करना होगा 315 revolutions में how much of distance will be covered. And once you have
sir.
find how much of distance is covered in one revolution, you will multiply it with 315 revolution. Then you will be getting the total distance, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. And also look out for the sign conventions. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
Ahmed, any confusion in question number 6? Are you able to understand what the question is trying to say?
No, sir, I can't.
No. Okay. Arhan, what about
I
you?
read it.
Okay. Question number 6 you are solving. Let me give you some hints. You have to find the area of the figure. This one, 20.25. And what has been provided here? Find the area of this figure in a square centimeter. Correct to one place of decimal. Okay. So we need to find the area of this figure. Okay. So you can find it out now. Look here. First, what you will do? You will take the area of this semicircle. Simple. How to find the area of semicircle? It's simply half times pi r square. Right? Getting it now. And then you can do what? You can actually do a construction here. हम यहाँ पर एक construction कर सकते हैं. Yeah. Okay. You can do a construction here also. So thereby, what you will be observing here, that you will be getting two triangles, this one and this one. Okay. And in which, if you were to look at the two triangles here, is the base given? Yeah, exactly. Look here. This much of the length can be taken as the height. No, but then the base. No, you don't need to do calculation, construction in this one. हम construction करके solve नहीं करेंगे इसे. Look at the complete figure first. Figure ABCD, that is the name of the figure. Okay. Do you see an square here? Can we get an square over here? Yes. Look here. Yes. This side measures 10 centimeter. Look here. This side measures 10 centimeter. This side measures 10 centimeter. Okay. This is the total length. Actually, the figure is not very accurate here, but yet the sides of this figure ABCD has been given as 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Although it looks like a rectangle, but it's actually a square. So you can find out the area of this square now very easily. Yes, Ahmed, हम find कर सकते हैं. Ahmed, getting it or not? Look here. Let me repeat this thing. Look here. Firstly, now join point A and D with the help of a dotted line. So you will be getting the square ABCD is a square. क्यों है? क्योंकि The sides are equal, 10 and 10. So this is also 10, this is also 10, right? So you will find the area, AR dot means area of ABCD plus area of this semicircle, area of semicircle. But then you see, you will have to minus this area from the total area also ना, हमें subtract करना पड़ेगा. This isn't this right angle triangle over here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is a right angle triangle. So you will first do what? You will take this whole area. Look here, where I'm pointing here. This whole area has to be taken, and this whole area also of the semicircle has to be taken. Add them both, and from that you will have to then subtract the area of right angle triangle minus area of right angle triangle, that is AED. Getting it or not? Okay, now this is the triangle AED. Arhan, did you got it? What needs
Yes,
to be done
sir.
in this one? Arham?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahmed. Is it clear how we need to solve this one, or shall I explain again? No issue, I can explain again.
I'm gonna try.
Right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, done.
So in my question, do we have to also find the area of the path?
Area of the path. Your question says that if track is everywhere 14 meter wide, find the area of the track. Yeah, it mentions over now. Find the area of the track, and also find the
Okay, sir.
length of the auto running track as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This question can also be solved very easily.
Sir, I'm not getting my question.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay, look, question number 7 you're saying na, Arham?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall I start solving from your question then? Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm
sir.
done with my question.
Done, Arhan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, let's move in a sequence manner. Question number 5 पहले हम solve करते हैं. Okay. Then I will
Yes,
come
sir.
to the next question. Okay.
So the length of the outer track is 488 meter and the area of the track is 620.
Yes. That is 600 and
So it's 6,216 meters square.
6,216 meters square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look here. I will have to go back to the question. The inside perimeter of a running track as shown in this figure is 400 meter. So this track which you are seeing here, see where I'm pointing. Okay, that measures
sir.
400 meter.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so that is 400 meter. The length of each of the straight portion. So say this is the straight portion. ये भी हमारा straight portion है. They measure
Yes, sir.
90 meter each.
Yes, sir.
And the ends are semicircle. All of you have a look at this question. All of you. This one
Yes,
and
sir.
this one, they are the semicircles. If track is everywhere 40 meter wide, so the width of the track is 40 meter, find the area of the track. Okay, now also find the length of the outer running track. Okay. So first we need to find this area of the track. Okay, now, and then we need to find the length of the outer running tank. What is the length of this outer running tank and what is its area? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
it's quite easy now. It's quite easy over here. Look here. Question is clear to all of you or not? Do
Yes,
let
sir.
me know that.
Yes, sir.
So question में given है, perimeter is given. Perimeter
Yes, sir.
of inner track 400 meter है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The track somewhat looks like this. This is 90 meter. The whole perimeter is 400 meter, and then the width is 14 meter over here.
Yes, sir.
Data are correct now? Okay. Now then the question was asking, we need to find the length of the outer track and the area of the track.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So look here, perimeter of the inner track equals to 400 meter, and perimeter of inner track, will it be not equal to 2 times this length,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 times length 90 meter, this one, plus
Yes, sir.
length of semicircles, है ना? Semicircles की भी length
Yes,
को
sir.
हमें add करनी है. Length basically I'm talking about the perimeter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this one is clear. Now, if you were to talk about the perimeter of the inner track here, can I also write it like this? Length plus length, or simply 2L plus
180.
it will be 2 pi r now. Look here, ये हमारा semicircle है. The perimeter of semicircle is pi r, and this one is also
Yes, sir.
pi r. So pi r plus pi r, that will be 2 pi r, isn't it?
2 pi. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, according to the question, the perimeter is already given as 400 meter. So 400 is
Sir,
equal
but
to.
what about the 90 meters?
Yeah, okay. We will multiply it now. हम यहाँ पे value put कर देंगे.
Okay. Yeah.
2 into 90 plus 2 pi r. Getting it?
Yes,
So
sir.
let's put the value equals to 180, right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
plus pi की value you will be taking it as 22/7
22/7.
Yes, sir.
into
Yes,
22/7 into r. Is the value of r given in the question? No, we need to
No,
find
sir.
it out.
No, sir.
पहले हमें ये find करना है. So
Yes, sir.
400, okay, equals to 180 plus 44/7 multiplied r. Let's
Yes, sir.
transpose it over here. So that will be 220 equals to
20.
44/7 into r. So then again it will be 220 into 7/44.
44.
Thereby that should be 35. I know.
Yes,
So
sir.
the radius is 35.
Yes, sir.
Radius is 35. The unit is in meter, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So radius is 35 meter. So the radius of the inner circle here, this one and this one, they are of 35 meter.
35.
Now let's calculate
Yes,
the
sir.
radius of the outer track. हम इस track की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, let's calculate that one. I'm moving to the next page. Okay, now I will
Yes, sir.
have to add one more page. Okay, give me a moment. So now let's calculate radius of outer track. What informations do we have about the outer track? Outer track, that is, we are talking about this one here.
So
Okay,
the width is 14 meter.
width is 14 meter.
Yes, sir.
Now, well, this whole radius, अगर हम इसकी बात करते हैं, suppose now,
So we can
look
add
at where.
the radius by 14.
Exactly. That is what we will be doing. अगर हम इसकी बात कर लेते हैं, this one, the bigger semicircle, so its radius will it not be equal to 14 here plus 14 here plus this one
Yes, sir.
plus the radii of this one?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys getting it, Ahmed, Arham? The radii of the bigger semicircle, will it not be equal to 14 plus this 35? Huh? Yes. So look here. When we will be calculating radius of outer circle, okay, so it will be radius of outer circle, it will be 35 plus 14. That will be
49.
49 meter. And we know we need to see for the length of the outer track also. What is the length
Yes,
of this
sir.
outer track? So length,
The length is unknown.
exactly. So that will be what? Length of the outer track will be 2 times length of rectangle.
Yes, sir.
2 times length of rectangle plus perimeter of outer semicircles.
2 pi r.
Okay. Plus perimeter of outer semicircles. So that will be 2 times
sir.
length of rectangle. So then again it will be 2 into length of rectangle, and in the question length of the rectangle is how much? 90 meter, no?
Yes,
The
Yes,
sir.
sir.
same length, look here. The same length will be for this one also.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The outer track for that also, the length of the straight line of the rectangle will be 90 meter again. So it
Yes,
is
sir.
2 times
Yes, sir.
90 plus perimeter of outer two semicircles combined together, it will be 2 pi r. है ना?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. And radius we have calculated as how much?
35.
35.
49 now. Outer circle की हम
No,
बात
sir.
कर रहे हैं.
35.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 49,
Outer
sir.
Oh, okay.
we were talking
Okay,
about
okay.
outer
Yes, sir.
circle now. So 7 7 this. Okay. So 180 plus 44 times 7. 44 times 7, that is
3,
equal to how much?
308.
308. That is 488 meter.
Yes, sir.
So that was the length of the outer track which we have got here. Getting it or not?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. And what else we are required to find? The area of the inner
Track.
track की हम बात कर रहे
Yes,
थे
sir.
ना?
Inner track.
Yes, sir.
No. Area of inner track. Will it not be the area of inner rectangle plus area of two semicircles,
Yes, sir.
two inner
Yes, sir.
semicircles?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simply the area of this inner rectangle and then this one and this one added together.
L
Yes, sir.
into P plus pi r square.
Exactly. So that has to be area of inner rectangle plus area of inner semi circles. That
Yes, sir.
has to be L into B. That is going to be 90 into 35, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
35 Q. Because this radius,
It's
sorry,
radius.
70, it's going to be 70 now. हमने क्या find किया है?
Yes,
Uh,
sir. 70.
it's going to be 70 now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Oh, yes, yes.
Since we have find out radius here now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it has to be 90 into 70. Let me erase that. Okay. That will be 90 into 70 plus area of the two inner semicircles. That is 2 pi r into 2 into 22 upon 7. And then the radius
Into
again is
35 square.
35.
okay. हम यहाँ पे area की बात कर रहे हैं. So it has to be pi r squared now. Pi r
Yeah.
square की हम बात करेंगे, not the
Oh,
perimeter.
yes, sir.
So it is 22 upon 7 into
35
radius
square.
radius square, right? So
35
after the
square.
calculation, you should be getting your answer. So that has to be
Yes, sir.
6300 and
Yeah.
5 times gets cancelled. So 175 into 22. That gives you how much?
Yes, sir.
175 into 22. 3850. Okay, 6300
Yes,
plus
sir. Yeah.
3850.
3850.
That will be 10,150
50.
square meter हम बात करेंगे क्योंकि हम
Yes,
area
sir.
find कर रहे हैं, right? So thereby that is the area of the inner track. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
in the question और भी कुछ पूछा गया है. Area of the track. Also find the length of the outer running track. So I suppose we have find both of them. Find the area of the track. Okay, okay, look here. We have to find the
So
area
we have to
of
find
the
the
track.
path.
Yeah,
Path
the
also.
area of this track.
Yes,
हमें
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ये area find करना है.
Yes, sir.
So then what we will be doing now? Yeah, I will have to add one more page. Just give me a moment. Okay. Arhan, you were getting the same answer, right?
Sir, in which
Mm-hmm.
sir, the area of inner track.
Yeah, area of inner track.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Then what we need to do? We need to find the area of outer track. So
Area of outer track,
outer track.
outer rectangle plus area of two.
Exactly.
Outer
Exactly. So area of outer track will be area of outer rectangle. Getting it now? And then
Yes,
plus
sir.
area
Yes,
of
sir.
two outer semicircles, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's find that one as well. So area of outer track, that will be equal to area of outer rectangle plus area of two semi outer circles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then moving on. What was the area of outer part, outer circle, outer rectangle that is going to be? Length
Sir,
into?
1000.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
We're talking about the area of the outer triangle.
yes,
That
sir.
is going to be what?
Length into
Okay.
breadth.
You have got the value as 90 here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is also going to be 90 here. Getting it now.
Hmm.
And then talking about give me a moment, just area of outer track will be area of outer rectangle plus area of two semi outer circles. Okay, do one thing now. अगर हम बात करते हैं, if you have to talk about area of outer track, I can
Yes,
also
sir.
say that rectangle की हम बात करें ना, so it will be length into breadth simply.
Yes, sir.
Area of two semicircles, so that means pi r square. Simply we're talking about pi r square now.
Yes, sir.
Plus pi r
Yes, sir.
square. Okay. Length and breadth of outer rectangle. So length is going to be
90.
90.
90.
And if you were to talk about the breadth of it,
98.
90, sir.
it's going to be 98 now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 35 plus 28, and then yes, that has to be 98. So it's going to be 90 multiplied 98 plus pi r square. So that is 22 upon 7 into r square. What was the
Yes,
radius
sir.
of the outer
49.
semicircle? That is 49. Okay. So that is 35 plus 14 here. That is 49.
Yes, sir.
Okay now. So then it has to be 49 times 49. Okay.
Yes, sir. 77,
So
sir.
90 times 98. 9 into 98 is 882. हम एक
Yes,
जीरो
sir.
पुट कर
Yes,
सकते हैं
sir.
फिर यहाँ पर.
Yes, sir.
So 7 times 7, that is 49. 7 into 49, that is 343. 343 times 22. Okay, come on. That is how much?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, 16,366.
366. After
Yes, sir.
adding both of them, that will be how much? 24,000 and like 25,000. It will be something. Find it out how it, what value you will be getting here.
Sir, 25,186.
Length into breadth, that is 90 into 98. We have done that here. 22
Sir,
upon
sir, that will
7.
be,
2.186.
Yes,
so it will be 7,564. 46.
7. This will be how much?
So 7,446.
446. नहीं
Yes,
नहीं,
sir.
चलो हम कैलकुलेशन कर ही लेते हैं. 154, okay, into 49. Okay ना.
Yes, sir.
9 4s are 36, 6 3. Okay, 308, so 616. So 616. 7546 होगा
Yes,
Arhan.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 7546.
It will be 75416. Then add these two. What does that give you quickly?
So it will be 16,366.
366 square meter. So
Yes,
that is
sir.
the area of outer track. We have got that one here, right? Now
Yes,
let's
sir.
Yes, sir.
calculate the area of the path. Path की area हम calculate करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
The area of outer track minus area of inner track.
Exactly. Whatever the area of outer track is, simply subtract the area of inner track from it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So area of outer track minus area of inner track. So we know the outer area of outer track that we have calculated as 16,366. Okay. And moments ago we did calculated the area of inner track. That
So
was
10,150.
10,150 exactly. ये रहा हमारा. So minus this 10,150.
So
So that will be
621.
giving you how much? 6216
Yes, sir.
in a square meter. Very good. So that is how we are required to solve this question. Anyways, that was a bit lengthy question.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Mhm.
sir, above we have done pi r square h 22 upon 7 into 49 to 49. So
Hmm.
it is 7546, not 751, 75416.
Okay. Okay. 7546 है ना? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
7546 हमने calculate की थी by the way. Hmm. Good. 7546. Okay. Now moving on to next question. Ahmed, is Ahmed here?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So you were solving question number 7.
Yes, sir.
Arham, question number 7 done.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay. What is the answer?
I was not able to do.
Okay. Okay. No issue. So question number 7, what it basically says now. It says that diameter of the wheel of a bus is 90 centimeter, and then
Yes, sir.
it is making 315 revolutions per minute. Right.
Yes, sir.
Determine its speed in kilometers per hour. So
Yes,
speed
sir.
will be what? Speed will be the total distance it will be traveling and the time it takes to
Time.
travel that
Yes,
much
sir.
of distance, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
सबसे पहले हमें distance find करने हैं, right? So starting
Yes, sir.
from basics, we would say that question number 7. Okay, perimeter of a circle, we know it's 2 pi
2
r,
pi r.
right? And
Yes, sir.
in the question, diameter of the circle has been given as 90 centimeter,
90.
right? Okay, now.
Yes, sir. Radius equals to 45.
Radius equals to 45, exactly. Radius is 45 centimeter, exactly. Okay. Now then, question mentions that it does 315 revolutions, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
चलो हम perimeter को calculate कर लेते हैं. Okay. Exactly. Okay now. So it will be 2 into
Yes, sir.
22 upon 7 into
Into 45.
45. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is, no, this won't be cutting it.
282.85.
Okay. 2 45s are 90. Okay. 9 into 22 is
So it is
198. 1980.
282.85.
How much you are getting?
282.85.
Okay, okay. मैंने 7 को include ही नहीं किया. You have to divide it by 7 now.
Yes, sir.
2, you are getting 282.85
85.
in centimeter. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
we
It's recurring.
it's recurring decimal.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
no issue. We can take 85.85. No issue in that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now distance that will be traveled. Now this much of distance is traveled in one revolution में इतनी
One
distance
revolution.
travel कर रही है. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so distance travel in 315 revolution will be
So we can
315
simply multiply it by.
exactly 282.85. So
So
whatever answer
89097.75.
89097.75.
09.75.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I'm assuming the answer is correct. Okay. I mean,
Yes,
this
sir.
value is correct. I'm assuming. Okay. I'm not doing the calculation right now.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Okay. And the question says that 315 revolutions are being done in a minute. Right? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
total distance traveled by it is this much, and that is in centimeter. We can
Yes, sir.
convert it into kilometer also. For our
Yes,
convenience,
sir.
हम convert कर सकते हैं. We know 1 kilometer is equal to
1,000.
how many centimeter?
10,000.
10,000.
Exactly. 10,000 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
10,000 or will it be more? 1 kilometer में 1,000 मीटर होता है. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. नहीं. It's 1 lakhs. 1 kilometer has 1 lakh centimeter, guys. Not 10,000. Okay, now.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah.
Right. Now let's calculate the speed. हम speed की तो बात कर रहे हैं. Speed in kilometer per hour. You have got the
Yes, sir.
distance. That is in.
Distance upon time.
अच्छा हमने calculate अभी convert नहीं किया. We haven't converted it. So
Yes,
1
sir.
kilometer equals to 1 lakh centimeter. So this much of centimeter converted back into kilometer will be how much? divide this by this here.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 0.89. आप ये ले सकते हैं 0.89 kilometer. So
Yes,
it
sir.
will be 0.89 kilometer. Okay. Upon time. So
Yes,
time
sir.
was in minute. So minute को हमें convert करना है kilometer में. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
So then we will have to divide it with 60. ऐसा हम करते
Yes,
हैं.
sir.
Let's do one thing. Let's convert the two units separately. Distance को हमने separately convert किया. So time को भी हम separately पहले convert कर लेते हैं.
Yes,
So
sir.
time in hour will be 1 upon 60. So 1
Yes, sir.
upon
Yes, sir.
60. That will be how much? Time, by the way, it is in minute, no? Per minute.
No, sir. R.
Hmm. And actually, is the question asking you? Question is actually asking you to find it in per hour. हाँ,
Per
फिर
hour.
हमें हम convert करना पड़ेगा. Right now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So convert this 1 upon 60.
So it's 0.016.
0.016.
Yes, sir.
0.016 if you say so. So speed is equal to distance upon time. So it is 0.89 upon 0.016. After calculating it, you guys should be getting your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If anyone has a calculator, please do the calculation quickly. Okay. Or you guys know, in order to convert a unit, had the unit been like this, meter per second, in order to convert it into kilometer per hour, what we can basically
Yes, sir.
do, multiply it with 5 upon 18. Simple हम कर सकते हैं, had the unit been in meter per second,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So it's
Okay.
52.5.
52.5. Exactly. 52.5 kilometer per hour. So that is the required answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If in the RD Sharma, if the answer misses by some numbers, few numbers, like if it's 51 or 53 or 54, then here you might have done some mistake in this calculation, in the multiplication of these two values. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Anyways,
Yes, sir, it's correct.
it's correct. Okay, then. Now,
I
guys, let's
cross-checked it
move
on
on.
calculator.
Checked it. Good then. Okay, let's move on to the next question. That is question number 6. Question number 6, I already discussed that. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Question number 8, who would like to solve?
Sir,
Second.
Arhan? Okay, Arhan, aap solve karo.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next question, Arham. But
Yes,
do it
sir.
quickly.
Yeah.
Do it quickly because we don't have that much time left. Okay.
Sir, my answer is 43. 43 centimeter. square.
Question number 9.
Yes, sir.
Diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. So simple, hai na? It's half
Sir,
into
I've also found it.
d1 into d2. Okay, I'm checking that. I will be checking that. So
No,
half
sir,
into
it's 45. It's
45.
45. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. 15 threes are 45 square centimeter.
Yes,
That
sir.
is correct.
So the
Good.
other diagonal is 30 centimeters.
The area of a rhombus is this much. And one of the diagonal, yeah, exactly. Yeah, very simple. So it will be simply half into 16
The
into
diagonal 1 into
d2
diagonal 2.
equals 240.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So d2 is equal to 240 upon 8. That
240
will be
upon 8.
30.
30. Good. Simple question. Question number 10. Arham, you solve this one. Question number 11.
Yes, sir.
Arhan, you solve this one.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what was the The formula to find the area of quadrilateral.
Area of a
Quadrilateral.
it's quadrilateral, no? Simply base into
Yes, sir.
height.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, वो parallelogram का है. Okay. You need
Yes,
to
sir.
construct it into two triangles. Okay.
Hmm.
You need to divide the figure into form of two triangles because by quadrilateral it could be having any shape. Like it could be having a shape, for example, like this, like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It could be having any shape. So for quadrilateral,
Yes,
you will
sir.
have to divide it into two triangles. Okay. In
Yes,
fact,
sir.
in the question 10, it has been mentioned
Sir, I found
like the perpendiculars are dropped on the perpendiculars by hint. You can
Yes,
understand
sir.
what it basically means. Yes. Question number 11. Arhan, you got the answer?
Yes, sir. The area
Okay.
is 16 centimeter and the other diagonal is 4 centimeter.
Okay. Will you please
So
read the
can you just
question?
show? I'll show
Okay,
the
okay.
question. I will take the screenshot.
Okay, let's do now. I will be solving here only. Okay, no need to take the screenshot. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 11. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 6 centimeter and whose altitude is 4 centimeter.
So
Question
base
number
into height.
base into height. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you see, हम पहले एक rhombus construct कर लेते हैं. And side is 6 centimeter. That means all the sides are 6 centimeter. Altitude here is 4 centimeter. Okay, altitude means थोड़ा सा हम tilt करते हैं figure को. We'll be tilting it a little bit. Okay.
Sir, I got
Mhm.
so the area is 24 and diagonal 2 is
Area is 24
yes, sir. And diagonal
and
2
diagonal
is 6.
diagonal 2 is 6 centimeter.
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
made a mistake.
Okay, no issue. So in the question it says, if one of the diagonal, let's say this one measures 8 centimeter, find the length of the another diagonal that measures how much. Okay, it's simple, quite simple here.
Yes,
What
sir.
are the values we are given first? Right. Altitude is 4 centimeter. Sides are given as 6 centimeter. Okay. And since this rhombus, it's also parallelogram. Rhombus be parallelogram hota hai na,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So
Base into
therefore,
height.
you can find its area in terms of the formula of parallelogram also. Using that formula, its area can be found. So
Yes,
base
sir.
into height
Yes, sir.
simply. So then base into height. Base is 6, height is 4. 6 into 4. That is
24.
24 square centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
And
sir.
now you can easily calculate the diagonal. Half into 8 into d2 equals to 24.
So
हमने
6.
ऐसे क्यों
Yes,
किया
sir.
पता है? 4.
Yes, sir.
So d2 is 6 centimeter. Very good. Okay. You did solve it ना? Arham, you question number 10 आपने solve कर लिया?
Yes, sir. 252 square centimeter square. Meter
252
square.
meter square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's discuss that one as well. Arhan, would you like to discuss that one or shall we move ahead then? Is question
Sir,
number
we
10?
can discuss it.
Okay. Let's discuss the question. In the question, the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Okay.
Yes, sir. Half into 24 and into 21.
Okay. So in the question, area of the quadrilateral. चलो पहले हम quadrilateral draw कर लेते हैं. Let's say it's a figure like this. Okay, not exactly resembling a parallelogram, somewhat
sir.
different from it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now in the question, the diagonal of the quadrilateral shape field is 24 meter. This diagonal has been mentioned as 24 meter. Acha, one thing needs to be clear. Like, yet we don't know whether what type of quadrilateral it is. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So if the question is like this, we will not be assuming that okay, this will be a kite or this will be a trapezium or this will be something. We will simply draw a figure like this.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
कुछ इस तरह की figure construction हम करेंगे. Figure A, B, C, and D, and then from the opposite vertices, like for example B and D हमने opposite vertex ले लिया. Okay, and
sir.
from these two opposite vertices, altitudes of perpendiculars of 8 and 13 meter are being dropped on this on this diagonal, right? No.
Diagonal.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So say this one is 13 meter, and this one say it's 8 meter. Now we need to find the area of the field. Now it becomes quite simple now. What do we have here?
Yes, sir.
We have got like two triangles here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So triangle number 1 and triangle number 2 here. Triangle number 1 and then the triangle number 2 over here. Okay, using the formula of,
Theorem.
why would we be using the Pythagoras theorem? Why can't we just use it like half into base into height? Okay, for triangle number 1 plus half into base into height from triangle number 2.
So we can also do half into main diagonal and plus both the heights.
Exactly. So it will be half into diagonal, that is main diagonal, half into
Yes, sir.
d into height 1
H1 plus H2.
plus height 2. Very good, very good. ये formula भी हम use कर सकते हैं. So half
Yes, sir.
diagonal is 24 and 13 plus 8, that will be 21. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
2 12s are 24.
52.
So 12 times 21, that is how much?
Yes, sir. 252.
210 plus 42, that is 252. Good. So 252 square meter is the required answer. Getting it or not? Is Ahmed here
Yes, sir.
back in the class?
No, sir.
Not yet. Okay. Okay, we still have 10 minutes left, so we'll be discussing few more questions then.
Yes, sir.
Question number 13. Arhan, you solve this one. Question number 12. Arham, you solve this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just remember the simple formula in order to solve question number 12. That total
Yes, sir.
cost is equal to rate times area, rate into area. जब भी हमें
Yes, sir.
total cost find करनी होती है, you will be finding that rate and then the total area. Multiplying them will be giving you the total cost. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like whenever there's some construction work going on in our houses, or if the construction workers are laying the tiles or marbles, they will be charging it on the basis of per square meter area.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So same thing you have to do here as well. And 5 into 1.
Sir, I'm done.
Done. What is the answer?
So the area of the path is 925 meter square, and the cost of construction is 4,162.5.
4,162.5. Okay, so you have find the area as 925
Yes, sir.
25 square meter, and cost is multiplied 4.5 na, that will be
Yes, sir.
4,000 kitna hai 162.5 na.
5. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, both of you look at the solution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there's a rectangular grassy plot like this. Okay, and then the length and the breadth is given as 112 meter, that is the length, and the breadth is 78 meter. Yeah, as Ahmed back in the class.
Yes, sir. He is.
Yeah, Ahmed, look at question number 13. We are solving question number 13 right now. Quickly read the question. Okay, so it has a gravel path also. This
Yes,
rectangular
sir.
path, rectangular grassy plot has got a path also, that is made up of gravel, and the width is 2.5 meter. So ये width हमारी 2.5 है. So here also it is 2.5. Okay. Now, in what the question is asking, we need to find the area of the path and the cost of construction. So we need to find the area of this path. Okay,
Yes,
because
sir.
construction, you will be doing construction where? On
Later.
the grassy grassy surface. Will you be doing any construction? No. So हमें
No,
construction
sir.
is per करनी
Gravel
है.
path.
On the gravel part, exactly. So we know that area of outer rectangle minus, okay, let me write again, area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Will it
Inner
not be giving
rectangle.
you the area of the path?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The outer rectangle की area है, and this is the area of inner rectangle. So that can be calculated very easily. For the outer
sir.
rectangle, for the outer rectangle, length and breadth is 112 and 78. So
78.
that is the area of it, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus the area of inner rectangle. So area of inner rectangle will be 112. Look over here, 112 minus 2
2.5
times
plus.
2.5 minus
Yes,
2 times 2.5. No, on both sides you will have to subtract it, here also and here
Yes,
also.
Yes, sir.
So this one will be how much? 112 minus 5 हम कह सकते हैं directly. So that will be
Yes, sir.
107 now. So that is
Yes, sir.
107. And what
Length.
about this one? Yeah, what about the breadth? That will again be 78
Say
minus
73.
5, 73 meter. So that is simply 107 multiplied 73. When you will do the calculation, then you will be getting the area of the path, of the gravel path. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
112 into 78 equals to 8736.
8736. Very good.
And the
Meter.
inner area of the rectangle is 7,811.
7811 meter. Very good. And when you subtract them, it will be giving you 5 to 925. No? Right.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
925 meter. So now we know the area of the surface. Now, in order to find the total cost, you simply multiply the
Multiply.
rate with the area. So area हमें मिल गया and rate is
4.5.
4.5.
4.5 per square meter होगा ये. This will be also
Yes, sir.
square in square meter. So 925 multiplied 4.5. So that will be somewhere close to how much? 4,000 के close आना चाहिए. And as per your calculation, it was 4,162.5. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thereby, it is correct. Okay, now I will quickly
I
come
also
to the
got.
question number 12. What is the answer you are getting?
So the cost of polishing is 810 rupees.
810 rupees. Okay. So in question number 12, there are 3,000 tiles. Hai. Okay. You will find the area of one tile. That will be half into 45 into 30 centimeter in length.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना?
675.
Okay. Okay, 675. Then area of total tiles.
So
Area
multiply.
of total tiles. You will be multiplying it.
Yes,
3000
sir.
multiplied whatever value is here. Put it over here. Okay na?
Yes,
Then
sir.
you need to find the total cost.
Divide by
The
10,000.
total cost of the polishing the floor if the cost per square meter is rupees 4, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
how many this here
Divide by
you will be getting a
10,000.
here you will be getting a value, and the thing here is यहाँ पे rate is in meter, so you will have to convert it into meter.
Yes, sir.
Centimeter, yeah. Yes, sir.
Exactly. So you will have to divide it and convert it into
Yes, sir.
square meter. Then
Yes, sir.
afterwards you can find the cost easily by using the formula, that is total cost equals to rate into area. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right then. Also to match your answers after the class, or if you're having the book, do match the answers in the class only. Okay, na? In the class, up
Yes, sir.
answers